guys, Grizzly here. We're over at Rare Fab today, and the truck is getting taken care of in the rear. Icon leafs going on, courtesy of Stage 3 Motorsports. Go check them out. But it's been long coming and more preparation for jumps ahead. Stay tuned. So we are going to be replacing the OEM springs, as you can see here. They look stretched out right now, normal, but when they're compressed, they kind of lost all their bow to them. So the new Icon boys right there, gonna help support this thing. So this is what a proper leaf spring is supposed to look like. And this is what the Raptor leaf springs look like after jumping multiple times. And we are back together. Springs are in. We didn't do the add a leaf for the Icon kit. We're just gonna see how this rides for a couple of weeks, see how I like it. If it sits right, we'll leave it as is. If not, we'll come back and put the leaf in. There she is. All done with the install. Back at good ride height. All right, so we just finished up. Got the leaf springs installed. Will was a ton of help. Big thanks to him over at Rare Fab. Truck is finally looking right again. It's got a little bit of a rake, but it's gonna take a couple weeks for the springs to settle, so not complaining. Ride's really nice. But yeah, Icon leaf kit. Definitely suggest them, especially if you're gonna jump it. Take it from me. Next step will probably be the bunt stops, so that way we don't mess with the rear again, stretch anything out back there, and face these problems. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Keep up with the Grizzly adventures. But that's it for now. Until next video.